Welcome to the mysteries of the cosmos. Our solar system, a vast cosmic neighborhood, is home to an astonishing diversity of worlds, each with its own personality and secrets to reveal. We begin our journey with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, a small, rocky world with a cratered surface. Mercury, with its eccentric orbit, experiences the most extreme temperature changes in the solar system, from 430 degrees to minus 180. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury harbors ice in permanently shadowed craters near its poles, a discovery that surprised scientists. Venus, our closest neighbor, is often called Earth's evil twin due to its similar size but radically different conditions. Shrouded in a dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide, Venus suffers from an out-of-control greenhouse effect, with surface temperatures that melt lead. Venus' retrograde rotation, rotating in the opposite direction to most planets, remains a mystery that intrigues astronomers. Earth, our home, is an oasis of life in space, the only known planet that hosts a complex and diverse biosphere. With its vast oceans, breathable atmosphere, and protective magnetic field, Earth offers unique conditions for life as we know it. Mars, the red planet, has captured the human imagination for centuries, with its polar ice caps, dry valleys, and Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the system. Evidence suggests that Mars once had liquid water on its surface, fueling speculation about the possibility of past or present life. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, has a mass 2.5 times greater than that of all the other planets combined. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm that has raged for centuries, is large enough to swallow the entire Earth. Jupiter's four Galilean moons Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto form a fascinating miniature system, each a unique world in its own right. Saturn, famous for its magnificent rings, is the least dense of the planets, so light that it would float in an ocean large enough to contain it. Saturn's rings, composed mostly of ice and rock, extend up to 280,000 kilometers from the planet, but are only tens of meters thick. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only celestial body other than Earth known to have stable liquid on its surface, although these are lakes of methane, not water. Uranus, tilted on its side by an ancient collision, experiences extreme seasons lasting decades, with one pole facing directly toward the Sun for years. Uranus rings and moons orbit perpendicular to its orbital plane, creating a system that appears to spin like a wheel around the Sun. Neptune, deep blue due to methane in its atmosphere, experiences the strongest winds in the solar system, exceeding 1,600 kilometers per hour. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, orbits in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation, suggesting it was captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to countless icy objects, including Pluto, once considered the ninth planet and now classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto, with its icy heart and nearly equal-sized moon Charon, represents a new class of worlds in the frozen reaches of the solar system. Each planet in our solar system tells a unique story of formation and evolution, shaped by cosmic forces over billions of years. The terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed in the inner disk, where only heat-resistant materials could survive. In contrast, gas and ice giants formed beyond the snowline, where volatile compounds such as water and methane were abundant. The diversity of these worlds reflects the varying conditions present in the protoplanetary disk during the formation of the solar system. Space missions have allowed us to see these planets up close, revealing alien landscapes that defy our imagination. We've seen the ice geysers of Enceladus, the methane lakes of Titan, and massive storms in the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn. Rovers on Mars have found evidence of ancient lake and river beds, painting a picture of a potentially habitable past. The Voyager probes, now in interstellar space, have given us a unique perspective on our place in the galaxy. Each planet has its own moons, rings, and unique features that set it apart, creating a solar system of astonishing complexity and beauty. The magnetic fields of the planets, from Jupiter's powerful shield to Mercury's weak field, play a crucial role in their dynamics. Planetary atmospheres vary widely, from the virtual vacuum of Mercury to the dense layers of the gas giants. Planetary geology shows us worlds of active volcanoes, plate tectonics, impact craters, and unique formations like the canals of Mars. Studying other planets not only satisfies our curiosity, but also helps us better understand our own world. By comparing Earth to Venus and Mars, we can appreciate the delicate balance of conditions that make our planet a habitable home. The rings of the giant planets, especially Saturn's, offer us a natural laboratory for studying the dynamics of cosmic disks. The moons of the outer planets, with their subsurface oceans, have become prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. As our technology advances, we discover new details about these worlds, constantly challenging our theories and understanding. Exploring our solar system reminds us that we live in a dynamic and diverse cosmos, full of wonders yet to be discovered. Each planet and moon in our solar system is a world in its own right, with its own history, mysteries, and potential for future exploration. As we look to the future, the possibility of establishing a human presence on other planets becomes increasingly tangible. Our journey through the solar system not only teaches us about other worlds, but also helps us appreciate the uniqueness and fragility of Earth. Ultimately, studying our planetary neighbors reminds us that we are part of something much bigger, a vast and wonderful universe. Thank you for joining us on this stellar journey. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour, don't forget to give the video a like. Subscribe to Mysteries of the Cosmos for more space adventures. See you in the next video.